Welcome to this video on the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, the foundational document that guides our nation. In the previous video, we spoke all about voting. Today, we will cover the institution, parliament, and the legal system. So, let's get going. The Constitution is the supreme law of South Africa. It dictates how the country is governed, defines our rights, and establishes the duties of the government. No other law may conflict with it. Why are laws important? They exist to protect people, ensure everyone is treated fairly, prevent crime, and promote peace across the country. Remember, no one is above the Constitution. All citizens of the country is bound to the law. Even the president have to obey the Constitution. In summary, the Constitution serves as the foundation of South African law. It protects rights, mandates the role of Parliament in creating and improving laws, and upholds the principle that no one is above it. The Constitution and Parliament work together. In a democracy, we need rules. The most important of these are written in the Constitution, while Parliament is responsible for creating and refining our laws. Parliament is the place where important national decisions are made. Members of Parliament discuss new laws, change existing ones if necessary, and hold the government accountable for its actions. The government is divided into three branches to ensure checks and balances. The legislative branch makes laws, the executive branch enforces them, and the judicial branch interprets them in court. Our judicial system is guided by the principles of justice, with courts tasked with applying the law fairly to everyone. What is the difference between a rule and a law? A rule helps people live together orderly in specific groups, like at school. A law applies to the whole country and is mandatory for everyone to obey. While rules are made by groups and apply to specific settings to maintain order, laws are made by the government, apply to everyone nationwide, and carry legal consequences if broken. How is a law made? The process begins when an idea is proposed. Parliament discusses it, necessary changes are made, the law is approved, and finally it is signed by the president. Just as a school needs rules to function, a country needs laws to ensure safety, fairness, and the protection of rights, all under the guidance of the Constitution. If someone breaks the law, the police investigate the case. If necessary, the matter goes to court, where a judge decides on a fair outcome according to the law. Finally, the Constitution guarantees that everyone is equal before the law, meaning everyone must be treated fairly, and no one may be unfairly advantaged or disadvantaged. Which brings us to our next point. Let's explore our legal systems. Generally, a legal system is how a country ensures its laws are followed. Key components include the police, the courts, judges, and magistrates. When we compare legal systems with the concept of equality under the law, we see a focus on equal justice. This ensures fair access to counsel, that no one is above the law, and that outcomes are based on merit. The foundation of this system rests on clear rules, impartial judicial processes, and the active protection against discrimination of any kind. In summary, rules help us work together in an orderly way, while our legal system ensures that laws protect everyone equally. Remember, in South Africa, everyone is equal before the law. We've learned a lot today. I hope it all makes sense to you. Well, next time, toodaloo!